So what we're gonna do is take this off, the flange. Just give you something to pry in it. Now you wanna stick something long inside the shower arm. You wanna brace it with one hand, and you wanna start turning counterclockwise. Be very careful when doing this. Just take your time. Like that. Then you just install Teflon tape around both sides of the new arm. You want to go kind of heavy on it. You want to go in a clockwise direction, and then you can just install it right back. Now we can put our flange on. And that is how you install a new shower head arm.